Good afternoon, everyone. In today's class of HTML, in today's class of web technology, I will discuss form in HTML. Okay, form means everywhere we have to fill form for admission, for registration, for feedback, and in many areas. Similarly, we can make form in HTML for web development. Okay, same is written over here. Forms are an important part of our life. Forms are everywhere. At some stage or other in life, we have to fill a form. For example, forms for college admission, forms for driving license, purchase order form, leave application form, registration form, etc. Today, forms have become a part of life on the web. Means www. Forms are important to make web pages interactive. A form is a collection of fields or various elements on a web page. So here it is written how to create a form. So form can be classified into three sections. There are three sections for making a form: form header, input fields or elements, action buttons. So we will discuss form header today. To add a form in HTML, use form on, form of text. For this syntax, HTML on, head on, title on, head of, body or form on. Then write form elements, form of, body on, of, HTML of. In form tag, table tag is used. It is important to note down, for making form, table is used. Table tag consists of tr and td tags. We already have discussed table tag consists of tr td tags. So here is the syntax again: HTML head, title, body, form, table, tr td dash td tr of, table of, form of, body of, HTML of. Then point B, here we have written input fields or elements. Point B, input elements are used to take the input from user. Why do we use input fields or element? These are used to take the input from user. These are form elements that can accept input from the user. The following are some of the input elements: as text, it is used for text box. Button, it is used for making any button. Checkbox, it is used for selecting more than one value. Images, used for browsing any image or picture. Password is used to making the hidden code. Radio is used for radio button. It is used when you have to select only one alternative, one choice. Reset, it is used for clearing the text and making the text active, making the inputs active. Submit, it is finally used for submitting the data filled by user to the server. Next options, next element, multiple line text input. For this, text area tag is used. I will discuss later. Pull down menu, for this select tag is used. So here I have mentioned all the names which we will do in the next classes, and I will tell how to use each and every element in a form. Okay, because form is a combination of these elements only. So if you create all the element, then it will be a combined form. It will be a total form. So you must have learned today form element, and it is used for table tag. Okay, thank you for today.